这只猫的比赛状态非常好。
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone. No, we're gonna. Owner.
This one's cheating.
Yeah. Okay, you can stay there.
What a beautiful body, like a ballerina. Fantastic, long, tubular body, the beautiful milk chocolate point coloration.
Nice ear set well into the head, perfection, smooth skull. Yes, perfection.
Nice firm chin, round eye, little stub, little nose, little tiny ear set to the side. Today, she's my best kitten.
Mancoon. If it's a Jeff Jansen final, there's a red and white cat in it somewhere, and today it's going to be my final one.